welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be a Dollar Tree haul. Dollar Tree haul. I went to buy little bags for my girls, goodie bags for the holidays, and I found a few things that I thought would be nice to share with you. So we're gonna share it with you, right? Thank you guys for watching. Click subscribe if you haven't done so, and if you did, thank you very much. I appreciate you. We're gonna go ahead and get started with the Dollar Tree haul. These are items that are new to me. The little Dollar Tree that is near my home has literally like almost the entire haul, the entire aisle for the Christmas items empty. Only the gift bags were full, and the candy, and other than that it was really scattered. And the reason for going was these bags. I wanted the loot bags, and there was nothing there until I searched around, and then I found one little end cap of these, which they were flying out, which means they were not gonna get more. And good thing I went today. These are 20 counts. They used to have 24, now they have 20. And these are the bigger loot bags. They have tinier ones and ones that look like a little sack. But I got this pattern. And I also got this other pattern, which has snowflakes. Hopefully, this one's hard to see, but it's little snowflakes. I want these for other things, not... I got both of these for my daughter so they can put it in there. They have a holiday card that they want to give, and of course some candy cane and some other things, some candy. So I got that one. Here's the receipt. $1.25. I think on some items I might have grabbed them by impulse, like these. I could have maybe found these cheaper at Walmart, maybe 98 cents at Walmart, and I got it for $1.25 over at the Dollar Tree. But these are the bee chocolate lentils. They're not even the M&Ms, they're just regular chocolates, and of course they're candy canes. And I got a bunch of them because these I'm gonna gift them to my nieces and nephews. So, and it's also a great thing. You can like stick here a little gift card, and for the older nephews, and then you're all good to go. Here's another one. And I also got these two hats for my daughters. They can have... Oh my god! This one's missing the ball. No, I didn't even see it was missing the ball. Okay, well, I got this hat for them. How is it missing a ball? And then I got these two. They're scarves, and they have the jingle bells. They're gonna have a what is it called? Spirit week, holiday week at school, and there's a candy cane, and so red and white is the colors to go, and they have fun. So I got two of those. And then I got these ribbons. Now these ribbons have little tree and little snowflakes. To tell you the truth, they're kind of, it says 12 feet. Look at how little of ribbon you're gonna get. Yes. I went right after dropping off my daughters from school, so my eyes are still swollen from sleeping. Then I got this kisses. I got a little bag because this is for props for the Elf on the Shelf that I do. I also got these two gift bags for my neighbor's kids. It says have a stellar holiday. It's a little boy, and then it's a teenager girl. Let it snow, let it snow. The words are foil, and the snowman, it's like glittery. Oh, there you go. You can see. It's like glittery, and this one has foil accents. Yes, the gift bags in the Dollar Tree are really nice. I also got these on the toy aisle. Look at that. Rainbow, what is it? Rainbow High, and then Barbie. I got two Barbies for my daughters, one for each to let them cry. And this one I only got one because it includes both of these dolls. So with this packet, they can share. And then from this one, they can both have their Barbie. I was hesitant to buy 2 of these. I was like, oh, this. But I know my girls. I know my girls are going to be... They don't... It's not that they don't... That they fight. But I don't like having one yes and one no. Then I also found these little kits, which I thought it was neat because we like doing the gingerbread houses, but we don't like eating the gingerbread cookie. So this is just a fun thing to play, for them to play. It includes 2 houses, the icing, the sugar pearls, and confetti, and sprinkles. And just for $1.25, I thought it was nice. And then the little house would look like these or like these. I'm pretty sure they're very small, but it serves the purpose of, oh, let's build a gingerbread house. They're not gonna eat it, so it's a waste, and it's very expensive if you buy it somewhere else. More of these. There is that. I got Jet Puff marshmallows. I went out of, and this is the same purpose where I'm doing this one for the elf on the shelf stuff. And now these items I was looking for, I wanted, but then I couldn't get them, and then I found them all. So yeah, the cups that we have from Louis, I actually got them from there as well. It's better quality than these ones that I got, but it was Dollar Tree. I got 2 bowls, so everything that I'm going to show you is 2 of them. Look at it, it's Louis and Bingo. That they want the ice cream. They want to share each other's ice cream, but they don't want to share their ice cream. So I got the cereal balls. I also got the snack box, and it also has these. So I got 2 of those. Hopefully you can see the picture. Look at that. It's Louis with the dragonfly. And then I got the sandwich box, or the sandwich container. And it has the Dad, Bandit, Bluey, and Bingo. I know that this is targeted more for like the dad not working, but not a lot of stuff include the mom. And I wanted to include, then I got the water jugs. Look at this. They're riding their scooters. Yay. So, yeah, that is all that I got from the Dollar Tree. I think the holiday thing, I think this one you will score on this because this is $1.25, and for the little houses probably yay high, but it works. If you have a class like teachers, this is great. There's 2 in a box. Very nice. Or if you're doing a gingerbread party or anything, 2 in a box. Good for $1.25. It's good. Not like the big ones. They're not gonna kids are not gonna eat it, you know. It's good. Also, I think the Bluey items right now are also very high, very popular, so this one score as well. These make good stocking stuffers. I will include like one it's like one set like this, one set like this. Like that is very nice. You see the sandwich, the cup, the cereal bowl, and the snack thing is very nice. It's a completed set. Ta-da! And it's cute, and you know they're gonna like it. Yeah. Other than that, that is all that I have for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching. Go run to your Dollar Tree to get the items. These were not a lot of them, at least on my store. They're gonna fly. Whoever finds them, they're gonna fly. The bags are a good deal to buy them there as well because they are also expensive. The baggies like this for the treats are also a good deal for you to buy from the Dollar Tree. The other items are think about it, and make sure when you buy something, look that they're completed and they're not missing parts. I think I can place a big pom-pom, a white pom-pom there, and it's all good in the head. But yeah, that is all that I have for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching, and click subscribe if you haven't done so. And if you already did, thank you very much, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.